So, do you have any issue with your Tesla high voltage battery? If yes, we could help you. So if you have a look in our guide, you will find all information about Tesla high voltage battery repair. Here you will find all information about what could be the reason to fail the battery, how to diagnose, and how to fix it, how much it could cost, labor cost, part details, and some of most common possible alert code and how to fix it. You will find all information in our guide. So we also provide remote diagnosis, and with the help of remote diagnosis we can help you to find out the issue inside the battery pack without opening the battery pack. We could help you, we could tell you which module or which brick or which what is the inside issue inside the battery, which could save your time. So we had recently a customer who opened the battery pack couple of times. Whenever he used to open the battery pack, everything was looking perfect inside the battery pack. And then whenever he used to put back and everything, and then after he used to drive couple of kilometer and then he used to get same alert. So he contacted us. We performed the remote diagnosis and we informed the customer there is a issue inside the brick 14 with third number brick, and he was he opened the battery pack and he found the issue and which fixed the issue. So in case if you have any issue with a Tesla high voltage battery, please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to provide you support to fix the issue. Or you could visit our website, which is a carrepairservice.com, and here you will find all around Tesla repairs, services, alerts, how to clear different alerts. Or you could just write us on WhatsApp, and here is our WhatsApp number, and we will be happy to provide you support. So what do you need to do now? Now you could just have a look in a description and comment, and you will find the link to book this service. Once you book this service, we will be happy to provide you support. We are looking forward to help you. Thank you so much.